When are you allowed to wait on the yellow grid markings? When you are turning left. When you are turning right. When you are going straight on. Never.
You must wait here when you are turning right because in front of your traffic are coming. So when you are turning right, you must wait for the traffic who's coming from the straight side.
Why did the lorry driver start turning so late? Because the driver was making room for the cyclist. Because the driver was late checking their right mirror. Because the lorry set off too fast. Because the lorry needs the room to turn.
So when a truck driver turn right or turn left, because truck is not like a car, it's a long vehicle, he must use he must need more space to turn right or turn left. The truck driver wait because he need to go left side, but first he go to the right side because he needs some space. When he go to the left side, right side, then he properly move to the right side. That's the main reason. The answer is because the lorry needs the room to turn. Meaning the truck driver need more room, more place, more space so that he turn right, turn left because he cannot uh, turn right or turn left easily like a car driver. Next question.
When may you wait in the area marked with a cycle?
So
When you've checked your mirrors for cyclists. When you've turned on your hazard warning lights. When the traffic lights change to amber. When there are no cycles in the marked area.
So the answer is when the traffic lights change to amber after you have passed the first line. When the traffic lights change to amber after you have passed the first line. After you have passed the first line. Nobody is allowed to stop a marked area for the cyclist because you see in this video when you stop in front of the traffic lights, in front of you a place where the cyclists stop. Sometimes we are coming so fast, and when we are near the traffic light and traffic light change, and your car stop on cycle place where the cyclists are stop, then you are allowed.
What hazard do you need to look out for as you drive under the bridge? Overhanging tree branches. The height of the bridge. A narrowing of the road. Pedestrians walking in the road.
So in this video, you see different things like people walking inside the road, like your right side, in front of you, railway crossing. So railway crossing is not a big problem because the railway crossing barriers are closed. But the main problem here is you need to look your right side. Some people are traveling alongside the road. You must see and you must look out of these people. So yes, the answer is pedestrian walking in the road. Next question.
What's the speed limit on this road?
Uh, when you see like the street where the pupils are traveling alongside the road, like it's a residential area, and in residential area, some places speed are different. It's the speed limit is 30 mile per hour because 60 mile per hour, 40 mile per hour, 50 mile per hour not allowed like a street where the pupils are traveling alongside the road and the street are very close, are narrow, not a big street, not a big road. So here your speed is 30 mile per hour. Okay, next question.
What does the single yellow line along the side of the road mean?
Your left side, you see a line, a yellow line. What's the meaning of this line? Your right side and your left side. When you see yellow line, your right side and your left side, it's meaning waiting restriction apply at certain time. When you see these yellow lines of your right and your left, then it's meaning you cannot wait here, you cannot stop here. So the answer is waiting restriction apply at certain times. So video clip number test number 3. Begin the test. Question.
What's the speed limit for the car towing the caravan on this road?
In this road, like this is a motorway road. This is a highway road, like a 3 lines road. When you see a car attached a caravan trailer and the caravans is moving right and left. So the question is here, what's the speed limit for car towing the caravan on this road? So the speed is 60 mile per hour. When a car towing a caravan and the speed limit apply 60 mile per hour. So the next question.
The caravan starts to swing from side to side. What should the driver do to bring it back under control?
When you see or when you are driving a car and you attach a caravan, you bring your backside caravan trailer moving right and left, and you are traveling 60 mile per hour and your speed is 60 mile per hour. When what's your step? How to control your caravan trailer? The answer is you must you must your speed like a 30 mile 40 mile because when you use your race and you cannot slow your vehicle, you cannot control your caravan. So the answer is of the accelerator to slow down. You take off your foot from the accelerators, and then your speed is slow, then slowly your caravan trailer must be controlled.
Why is the caravan unstable and swinging from side to side?
The answer is, why the caravan trailer unstable swimming? Many people go in holidays and they use caravan trailer. It's not mean all the caravan trailers move right and left, but why here? So the answer is, sometimes the wind is too fast from right side to left side to right side. When the wind is too fast, then this will happen. So the answer is because of side wind. So I have to share three video clip tests. The total number of video clip tests 9. Next video I will share with you the other three video clip tests, and then the other videos I will again three video clip tests I share with you. Then it's a total three videos. Yeah, in three videos I have complete all the tests. Then I will share some hazards videos, mock like test videos. So be connected in my with my channels. If you cannot subscribe my channel, so please I have to request all the people who see my videos from the UK, uh, subscribe my channels and also click the bell icon, so when I upload any video you can receive the notification of this video.